Hello, greetings and welcome. So a quick update. I've had several people email me requesting workshops for Tai Chi, Qigong and Hermetics for the next few months. So I've decided to stay here in Mexico because it's all open for travel. So those of you who want to come and do a workshop, just drop me an email. Whoever emails me first and requests the date for it, that's the date I'll set. And I'll schedule to be here to the end of the year. So anywhere between now and end of December. The subjects are initiation hermetics, either the elastic force Qigong course or the intrinsic energies of Tai Chi. Not so much into doing forms and so forth. I can teach that if you want, but you can learn that anywhere. Rather tune into the intrinsic energies and refine them. I'll limit it to 6 people per workshop for 10 days. Cost $2,500 and half price for return students. And we do 4 hours a day, so it's a 40-hour workshop. In the afternoons, we'll train in the mornings as a group. Afternoons, I suggest if you're doing the Qigong or the Tai Chi, just in a group, go to the park, train together and revise everything you learn in the mornings. And we'll schedule them on the first and third Mondays of the month. So it's just an easy schedule to follow. So there's a 4-day break between each workshop. If you have any questions about it, drop me an email. I'll be in Ahihik, and sorry about the pronunciation. Even though I'm staying in a resort now, there's not enough space for a workshop, so I'll rent a house to do the workshops from, and then we can train from the house. So that'll give a courtyard and enough space for half a dozen people to train. I've had a look at some of the venues that are around, and they're very small. They're just not big enough to do a regular size workshop. So if that fits for some of you guys, drop me an email, let me know which month, whether the first or third Monday of the month it works for you, and we'll get that sorted out. Thank you for your time, and see everyone on the next video.